Mr. Sami, I have been review the hospital Hvac plan for the medical gas piping system. What the best method to ensure its meet safety and performance standard?
Oh, that's a good inquiry, Mr. Zain. You stand too long. Can you have a seat?
Thank you. Very good.
Let's begin with your inquiry. The system must be rubbed carefully away from heat and electrical razors. All joints must be braced with oxygen-safe materials, and every section tests under pressure before commissioning.
Mr. Shami, that sounds very technical. From a scheduling point of view, how exactly will the medical gas riser affect the installation of the main Hvac that's running through the corridor planets? Given the limited ceiling space, we need to know this clash point now and verify the allowable offset.
Yes, three-dimensional spatial coordinate is crucial. Without proper planning, several clashes can occur, particularly where the pipe manifold penetrates the floor slab. That's why we rely on BMI level 300, specifically clash detection report. Run weekly using neighbors work to check all service entry before site work starts. Resize the fire rate, slip and define the precise routing digitally first to maintain necessary clearance.
Mr. Shami, Mr. Zain, my name is Andre and I am the safety officer, and I am going to talk about the hospital Hvac plan. From a safety perspective, this is a high risk. Workers must be briefed on the specific dangers of acetylene and high pressure oxygen. Hot work permits must be issued for brazing conditions. We must strictly be required by the Class D fire extinguisher. Okay, furthermore, we must strictly adhere to the mandatory requirements of NFPA 99 Healthcare Facilities Code, ensuring all work complies with Category 1 system standards. The area alarm panels and zone valves must be installed and tested, and certified third-party authority having jurisdiction (AHJ) will inspect the system before final credentials.
But also ensuring system integrity and NFPA compliance like down to the wall outlet.
Exactly. Safety, functionality, and system security go hand in hand.
Then we must adjust the work schedule, testing and inspection, like the intention pressure test at 1.5 x the working pressure and the subsequent 24 hours. Standing pressure test may extend the timeline, but it's better than rushing and failing the final cross.
I prepared a detailed method statement and inspection and test plan (ITP). We will prioritize the main clear start first, and then govern the floor by floor schedule, the brush into the wet area, ring only type K or L. Copper tubing is used. We also attend the BIM workshops to confirm the routing and coordination of the lateral piping with the structural penetration and sealing grips.
Good. Don't forget the strict technical requirement. Proper labeling with flow direction arrows, mandates color coding as per relevant ISO standards, or we can call e.g. ISO 32. and purging with oil free, dry nitrogen continuously during every single brazing in to prevent internal oxidation scaling. These steps are non-negligible for system purity and long-term operational reliability.
One small leak or an improper braze could lead to system contamination or a fire endangering lives, especially with the high pressure oxygen lines. You cannot take shortcuts here. The traceability documentation must be flawless.
We agree on sequencing robust safety check including an FPA, compliance and hot work control, team coordination and strict 3-stage testing before final commissioning. Naif, prepare the method statement and ITP. Henry, draft the safety briefing. Sami, you review the plan and the material certificate of conformity once ready.
Excellent. If we follow this, the hospital will get a safe and reliable system for decades. Ensuring the critical, if we uninterrupted flow of oxygen, medical air, 1400 kPa, surgical vacuum, and nitrous oxide to every patient area. Machine design visibility factor.
Let's make it happen.